Hi guys, I had a comment on one of my old animatronic videos, and it's actually this one down the bottom here, the mouse. So that gave me an excuse to dig them all out of the loft where they stay in a big plastic bag. There's 13 of them, so I'll do 13 short videos, one for each one, showing what they do, and I'll probably do a compilation on my other channel of all 13. There'll be links in the video description to the original videos in my festive projects playlist or something like that. So check out the video description for the links. Another sound activated one. Okay, try that again. Obviously ZZ Top. Right, turn him off. And again, this is, where do I see it? Oh yeah. Focus. Another Great American Fun item. Item number 14304. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. There's always more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to subscribe down here. There's also my latest video up here, and down here is the playlist for these festive animatronics. So thanks very much for watching, much appreciated, and have a good Christmas or whatever you celebrate.